Annually, severe flooding is experienced in northern Namibia. This year, the flood reportedly shut down close to 90 schools and disrupted classes for over 30,000 learners at Ohangwena, Umsati, and Oshana regions. Works and Transport Minister Veiko Nekundi believes Namibia needs floating bridges to help teachers and learners. Nekundi addressed senior staff members in the ministry who concluded the development of a 5-year strategic plan at Swakopmund on Saturday.
I've given you a instruction to get a quotation to procure floating bridges. This is no one, it's a method that I'm telling you what now. When it's flooding, you put it up. When the water is gone, you remove it, store it. It's now how many minutes? 2 seconds. Cheap. So therefore, we must doing the media marketing as part of this. It must take us a good and also.
Nekundi said it is irresponsible for the ministry to fail to create access roads during floods, but continue to spend billions of dollars on highways. The minister wants Namibia to spend money on new technology instead of spending billions on fixing the same roads every year.
I do not want to see schools closing because of water. No, there's water. Even when I get my orphans are getting on earth, they knew that time when they were rain, there was water. And even now, it is the will, even if you know they do the rain. And we are paying free to make more money. Can't be. Is that easy?
The minister urged the management team to aggressively drive the agenda of creating access roads in flood-prone areas and also eliminate gravel roads, which have a negative impact on access to government services.